the one that Caleb and Daniel never wanted to get off when we were here for the Final Four. I'm like, come on, boys, the concert's starting. Just lay back and relax. You're not gonna fall. It's meant to lay back.
Lay back. It's fun. You're supposed to lay down.
I'm gonna lay down.
You want Caleb to do it?
Frankenstein getting ready to get shocked by electricity.
It's fun.
And now she looks like a mad bandit.
Oh my God, is that what that is?
Yeah. Man, he's strong. My fatness would have broke that. There you go. Just watch out for other children.
Daddy's leaving! Go! Daddy's leaving!
It's probably the wrong color pants for her to be wearing. Oh well. There you go. Yeah, wood chips. Woo! Yeah, she's already turning black there. Whoa! That was a total wipeout with everybody.
Group wipeout.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on.
You're gonna get dizzy. Whoa.
Is it fun? Still every time.
I know. It's a thing, man. That's like your retarded things that you pick up. You gotta have a drink of water every 10 seconds. That little batch of last kids just terminated them. Took them over here and everything.
Come here. I'm not walking that far. You're gonna get kidnapped. Can somebody push me? It's rough.
That's why she's looking for.
It's rough riding. This is a Harper's roller coaster called the Boomerang. Because it has a strap like a roller coaster. Whoa.
He likes that one.
You're funny.
I know there actually is a lot of
Killer butterflies from outer space. Ooh, predator.
Jumping, playing on climbing on stage. That's where him and Jaden did. Remember?
Yeah, that was that stage. Look at all the water, huh? It's pretty neat. Sounds neat. It's relaxing. Might make your mom want to go to bed.
I know it is. It's so relaxing.
Look at Harper. She just went in a total trance.
I know. Hey, don't touch that water. Don't touch that.
Hey, Harp, 6 flags. Well, it's really 4 flags.
The poor guy that fell. He's over there to buy tickets. Go up. He was probably trying to take a picture.
That girl's psycho, man.
Her favorite one.
She looks good on a motorcycle, though, I ain't gonna lie.
Got good form.
I want to do this one right here.
Mine for gems.
Can I get one?
No. They're purple now for Valentine's. What happened to the water? They drained all the water. Echo. Hello. Mortal Kombat. They used to have water in here. I guess they're doing a lot of cleaning. They're doing a lot of cleaning. He's ready to go eat.
You like it?
What's up, little guy? He says follow him that way. So we gotta follow him. He's telling us to follow him.
There is a Legoland over here.
Yep.
Legoland's all the way over there. You gotta
Yeah, we've done that. They put all the fun things here next to the Legoland. No, we're going to Rainforest, fool. We'll look at this when we come back. We're just cutting through. Yeah, I was thinking it's this way. We're gonna have to cross the street over here. Is he gonna move?
He's sitting by the Mangrove Hotel.
Woo!
I saw this on my iPad.
Oh my goodness, look at you. You look like a cricket. Yeah.
How much was the mirror machine?
Over there somewhere. It's warm in here. You want to get in his mouth?
Stay right here, look.
You can wave to him.